Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a job board to your Shopify website. Since Shopify doesn't offer this feature directly, we're going to use an external widget, but don't worry, it's completely free of charge and doesn't require any credit card information. The first step is to go to the website we'll be using. I've put a link in the description down below that takes you straight to the page I'm on, so just go ahead and click there. From here, hover over widgets in the very top, and all the way under tools we can see that we have the job board option right here. So go ahead and click there. Go ahead and click on the big pink button that says create widget for free. This is going to take us down to our template builder where we can start designing our widget. Now, the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, the layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the ones that's closest to what you're looking for now. In my case, I'm going to go ahead with this option right here that's called IT Corporation. From here, you can go ahead and click continue with this template at the bottom left corner. Now, the first thing you need to do here is to go ahead and click on Add Job. From here, you can add the title, the company, the department if you have a department, the location, the salary, type of contract, a link, or a description. If you'd like to, you can also go ahead and add a cover to the job post, a logo, and skills down here. If you'd like to add a skill, go ahead and click on Add Skill right here, and then you can go ahead and write the skill. Let's say that organization is important. In that case, just go ahead and write it and click done. And the same way we just added organization, you can go ahead and add multiple skills. To add a logo or cover, go ahead and click on add, and then you can either upload a file or from URL. Just to show you, I'm going to go ahead and click on upload file. From here, go ahead and select your file. In this case, I've just done Nike, and then click open. And then just wait for it to upload in just a moment. And this is what it's going to look like once it's been uploaded. Now, if you want to change something like the layout, you can go ahead and click on the left-hand side where it says layout right here. From here, you can choose from a list, grid, masonry, I believe you say, or carousel. So just go ahead and choose what fits your website. You can also change the look of the job card by clicking on job card here. As you can see, there's loads of options where you can toggle them on or off. And down here for buttons, you can also toggle off the learn more button by clicking right here so it turns gray. If you want an alternative, you can go ahead and turn on the apply button right here, like this, which allows for easy applications. Now, if you want to change something like the colors of it to fit your branding, go ahead and click on appearance on the left-hand side. From here, you can automatically choose from a light or a dark color scheme like this. So you can swap between them. You can also choose a different accent color, which would be something like the button. So for example, if I go ahead and choose red, then that's going to change, or even black. You can also change the font, and if you want to change the color of certain elements within the design, go ahead and click on the different options down here. Let's say I want to change the widget background. In that case, I'm going to go ahead and click, and then at the very top next to background, you can see there's a white dot. In my case, it might be different on your screen, but just go ahead and click that. From here, you can change to a symbol color, or you can choose a gradient, an image, or even a video. I'm just going to go ahead and choose a color, and as you can see right now, mine is white, but I can also change it to something like black or a gray if I wanted to. I'm just going to stick with white though. I also just added an extra job post just so we can see what it's going to look like properly on the website. But once you're ready to add this to your website, go ahead and click on the green add to website for free button right here. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll either need to sign up or log into Elfsight if you don't already have an account. And once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you don't need to change anything else, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up in the top right corner and click on the big green publish button up here. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month on the left-hand side. Just click the gray select button right here. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on the green copy code option right here. And now it's time to head back to our Shopify website designer. So once you're in your Shopify website designer, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and select the page where you want to add the job board to. In this case, I'm just going to do it on the home page, so I'm going to select that. Now on the left hand side, go ahead and navigate to the section where you want to add the job post. In this case, I'm going to add it to the mid section of my website, so I'm going to go ahead and do that in the template area. To add the widget, go ahead and click on add section, and then from here go all the way down until you see custom liquid and click. And once it looks like this, just go ahead on the right hand side and click right here in liquid code. And now we just need to insert the code we just copied from Elf's side. You can do that by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right clicking and clicking on paste right here. From here, just click away from it and let it load for a second. And as you can see, we now have a job board on our Shopify website. So this is how you can easily add a job board to your Shopify website. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.